Hey guys, welcome to this episode of our program here at the African Center for Community and Development. I am Arrey and I'm constituting feed for fish, and I'm using locally sourced material, and they have actually been carefully selected. And also I will be mixing this with imported feed, as you can see, depending on the size of the fish and so on. But generally you have some wheat bran here. Of course you have some maize, ground corn, soybeans, and some groundnuts here. And of course I'll be adding some substances there, like lysine, which is concentrate, and so on. And we definitely want the fish to eat, so I think I'll be going for the option of red oil. Red oil, as you can see, top grade. And I'm adding this, which is the wheat bran, mixture of corn, soybeans, groundnut, imported feed, some red oil base. It's good in essential fats and oils, and it's also good to increase taste and therefore attract the fish to feed. And I would mix until it's fine. And we have a very rich base here of food. This is also advantageous because it helps in cutting costs, and definitely that fish farming in Africa is hampered by issues like access to healthy foods and cost. Thanks for watching. I'm Arrey from the African Center for Community and Development. Don't go away. Just watch as we feed the fish with this. So here's the fish meal that I have created. I've used some red oil, some concentrate, some wheat meal, some corn, some soya bean, and this concentrate was to help in digestion. And of course there is this one before we get to the fish. This is actually from the plantain stem. It has some fiber, and fish love it, I think, I know. And this one was boiled, slightly processed, but not overcooked, so the meal is quite rich, really rich. We are sourcing for materials that are around us, organic, in order to ensure that vulnerable subpopulations can adopt to fish farming, and it's not a rich man's profession, because we know fish feed, which is imported, is expensive. But then it offers opportunities for impact investing as well. There we are with our contraption, if you will, of fish meal that has been well constituted at the African Center for Community and Development. Fish love it. Fish love it. Smells good. Thank Thank you so much for watching the African Center for Community and Development. I'm Arrey.